Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. Today we're discussing the oils which are best for frying or cooking. I've listed down a lot of the popular oils, probably not all of them, but the ones which are popular in the supermarkets, the ones which people get a lot. So I've listed the in two categories, the bad ones and the ones which are good to go. So we're gonna go through them. But before I start, don't forget, please touch the like and subscribe button and share this video to whoever may need it. First of all, most of the oils in the bad category are the oils which are very fragile. They are polyunsaturated fat oils. They are high in omega-6s, which we don't want too much omega-6s. In previous videos I've discussed this, that you want more omega-3s than omega-6, but these oils are very high in omega-6 and they are very fragile, which means they are easily they can easily turn into something else in simple terms. So, and worst of it, when you add heat to them, the chemical composition of their fatty acid changes, so they become something else simply. So you do not want to use these oils for cooking or frying. In fact, you don't want to use these oils. These oils I'm going to list, you don't want to use them for cooking or frying. So vegetable oil, corn oil, canola oil, sunflower oil, cottonseed oil, rapeseed oil. You don't want to use these oils. These oils are very fragile. You want to use oils that are very resistant to heat, that are much more saturated. So these oils I'm gonna say now is the ones that are good to use for cooking or frying. So we have palm oil, coconut oil, avocado oil. Avocado oil is monounsaturated fat. It's very good for cooking. The real olive oil. I said the real olive oil because most of the olive oil in supermarkets, it's not really real. If the olive oil is not in a dark bottle, the real olive oil is always in a dark bottle and it tells you where it's coming from or where it's been made from, or the crushed by dates, the dates which they did the olives, right? It should all be on the bottle and it must be a dark bottle. Then you know this is the real olive oil. Ghee is another thing that you can use for cooking or frying. Ghee is like clarified butter. It's basically melted butter, and the milk solids are separated from the liquid, and you leave the liquid to cool down. It becomes saturated, like coconut oil. It becomes something like that. So that's good for frying or cooking. And you can use animal fat, but make sure it is grass fed. The animal is grass fed. Do not use fat from animal that has been grain, corn or soy fed. It's not good. The fatty acid profile of those animals are very poor and it will cause you a lot of problems. So basically this is the kind of oils you would want to use to cook, the ones I've just recently said. These ones which are bad, that you see in red, which is vegetable oil, the corn oil, the canola oil, the sunflower oil, the cottonseed oil, the rapeseed oil, you want to avoid this kind of oils. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.